And now I look like my mother.
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Welcome back to another Because Instagram video, where we find weird things trending on Instagram and we try them just because. Now I'm sure you guys have seen tons of videos where you have people putting on makeup by dripping it on their face, whether it's oil, foundation, or this thing that we're going to be using today. To me, it's always been kind of strange that these people would drip this stuff on their face instead of just directly applying it or putting it on a beauty blender or a brush. But I think that they know that this extra step of dripping really piques people's interest. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna put my makeup on with some illuminator to begin with. Oh, because that's what I was talking about, illuminator. I'd say about 80% of the time, this illuminator is applied with a dropper. I don't have a dropper, I've got a squeezer. So I'm gonna squeezer. So anyway, what I found bewildering about this, aside from the dripping, is that the whole face would be illuminated before putting on foundation. When I found this illuminator, I was surprised to see that you can either put it on before foundation, with foundation, or after foundation. And it's supposed to give you that glow, which is something that I normally just try to achieve with highlighter. We're gonna give this a whirl. So here we go. We gotta do the dripping. Here we go. Oh, hurry, hurry. And I'm talking a crap load of this stuff. Drip. So here we go. I'm gonna do it with a brush. Let's get close. Yikes. Okay, so. Whoa. Anyway, I am always surprised at how shiny and illuminated the face is and how one would cover that up with foundation. But that's exactly what we're going to do today. And looking in the mirror, I look ridiculous right now. Kind of like a glazed donut. And I'm not even gonna bother letting it dry because you can mix it with foundation. So maybe it'll do that. And I will even use the same brush. How it's going to matte down that illuminator is a mystery to me. It is all over my face and a little bit in my hair. Whoa. So I'm thinking those girls on Instagram are using a much thicker foundation. In fact, I'm pretty sure that they always do. And my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth is not going to do the job because it's still a little too shiny for me. So here's what I'm gonna do. I have Rimmel Stay Matte. It's foundation, but to me it's very thick, almost like a concealer. And I have two because I ordered one and it was far too light, and then I ordered a really dark one. Put the two together, magic. And I'm thinking this ought to do it. Make me have pancake face, which is okay. All right, here we go. See? Much better coverage. I use that Fit Me for, you know, daily use, just if I need some light foundation, which is not today. All right, I think that's better, and I think that my face looks like I'm starting over. All right, so I'm gonna get to the rest of my makeup. By the way, it's Ellen Tracy Lightweight Liquid Illuminator. Okay, let's do some eyes. Carly Bible palette. I really like it. There are great colors in there and highlighters. As you can see, these two I've used quite a bit. They're almost empty. So I'm gonna use them again. And I'm gonna start with a sort of matted vanilla color just to go over my entire eyelid. And I am only continuing putting makeup on in this video because why not? You're not gonna learn anything, any technique about how to put on makeup. This is sort of a get ready with me. Yeah, get ready with me. Cause I have to go to the store. I don't know, I have to say, aside from a thick layer of makeup on my face, I do like what's happening as far as it's still looking glowy. Close up, it's not so good, but it never really is. We're not going to take any points away for that. And I think I've mentioned before, I tilt my head to the side when I put on eyeshadow because of fallout. And I'd rather it fall out this way than onto my protruding cheekbones. And you might think that's a good thing, but to me, not so much. My cheekbones stick out and I already have deep set eyes, so I look kind of, you know, skeletal in the eye area. All right, now for my most and least favorite part of putting makeup on is my eyebrows, because they are pretty much non-existent. There's definitely brows there, but they're blonde, and even when I dye them, it doesn't last very long. So let's put some brows on, shall we? Should I outline them first, like you see on Instagram all the time? Let's do it with this Kat Von D tattoo brow. I've never done this before, so enjoy my failure. Not bad. Good job, Lou. Okay, instead of outlining my eyebrows, I think I just put them on. Oh, it's hot. Oh dear. It's dark. I'm gonna put a fan up to my face. That is better. Why haven't I done that this whole time? I do not curl my eyelashes. I'm just giving it a whirl because I have this thing. I found it in my closet on the floor. I'm very tidy. No eyeliner today. Okay. I think I may only need one coat of mascara. Blush. Yeah. Okay. I don't know, you guys. I just walked by a mirror in my hallway, and granted, it is in an area with fabulous light. I liked what I saw as far as my face. I like my face. Not usually. Now for some contouring. This is way more makeup than I normally wear every day, but it's fun. I don't know what I'm looking for right now. Oh, this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. I take some of the dark stuff and I just go, look at that. Whoa. Under my chin and along my jawline, just to define it a bit, because jowls are happening and I don't love them. A little on my brow line with whatever is left over. A little bit here. I can't even tell you how much this fan is helping me stay cool. I mean, I was already cool. All right, I don't notice any difference that the contouring just did, but oh, fan's nice. Real highlighter and lipstick. Yup. Nope. Flipping you off again. The brush I use to put my eyebrows on for just a little bit of outline before I put my lipstick on. And I don't know, should I use one of these lip butters? I'll give this a whirl. Whoa, not horrible. Glossy. Dab some white highlighter. And now I look like my mother. She always wore this color. I'm satisfied with my makeup right now. Oh, I forgot, you know, the bags underneath my eyes. I forgot my concealer. Okay, now there are some things I need to do over brush. Blend that in a little bit. Re-highlight. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna go throughout my day. I will be back and let you guys know, you know, how it went. Okay, catch on the flip side. I should really know better than to promise to be back the same day with results of some kind, because when I'm finished filming for the day, I feel like I'm done. So anyway, it is 2 days later, 2 more days. And I think I have a better idea of how I feel about it than after just 1 day. So the illuminator is, to me, very similar to putting a primer on your face, but it's a different kind of base that you're giving your skin before putting on foundation. And while you're still covering up that shimmer that you've just put on your face, when you do put on your foundation and concealer, it somehow shows through. And throughout the day, when your face makeup kind of, falls away, there is still that illuminator underneath that I feel either grabs onto some of that makeup, or you get a little bit of illumination showing through. I absolutely will use this illuminator again. I would really have to get used to the putting it on my face and seeing that super shiny, sparkly face before I put my regular makeup on. But if I think of the results, I might take that extra step, because it does make a difference with makeup application and staying power. So that's it for this Because Instagram video, where we tried some illuminator. A lot of illuminator. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to check out my other Because Instagram videos. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye guys!